May I ask you something? May I ask you something? Yes. What is your question? Yes. What is your question? Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in a small town. I live in a small town. How was your day? How was your day? Really good. Really good. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is 1 May 20. My birthday is 1 May 20. What is your job? What is your job? I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. Are you married? Are you married? No, I'm not married. No, I'm not married. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Lima. My name is Lima. Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? No, I'm not busy at the moment. No, I'm not busy at the moment. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? I speak two languages. I speak two languages. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you clearly. Yes, I can hear you clearly. When did you start learning English? When did you start learning English? I started learning English when I was 5. I started learning English when I was 5. Do you like this park? Do you like this park? Yes, it's very peaceful. Yes, it's very peaceful. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog and a cat. Yes, I have a dog and a cat. What's your cat's name? What's your cat's name? My cat's name is RX. My cat's name is RX. What's your dog's name? What's your dog's name? His name is Max. His name is Max. How many hours do you sleep? How many hours do you sleep? I sleep about 8 hours a night. I sleep about 8 hours a night. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother and one sister. Yes, I have one brother and one sister. How often do you see your parents? How often do you see your parents? I visit them every weekend. I visit them every weekend. What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. What do you do after work? What do you do after work? I usually relax and watch TV. I usually relax and watch TV. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed around 11 p.m. I go to bed around 11 p.m. Do you read before sleeping? Do you read before sleeping? Yes, I read for about 30 minutes. Yes, I read for about 30 minutes. Do you exercise in the morning? Do you exercise in the morning? Yes, I exercise in the morning. Yes, I exercise in the morning. Okay, dear all my friends, no more today. Please don't forget like, comment and share. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.